Welcome to Kerala, also known as God's own country. It's a place filled with natural beauty, from its peaceful backwaters and green hills to its sunny beaches and rich culture. Today, we are going to explore all the amazing things that make Kerala special, from its unique traditions to the delicious food and beautiful sights. So, let's get started. Greenery is something you won't forget. One of its most famous features is the backwaters, calm lakes and rivers surrounded by palm trees. In places like Alleppey and Kumartam, you can ride on houseboats and experience life on the water. In the hills, Kerala has some beautiful spots like Munnar and Wayanad. These areas are filled with tea gardens, cool weather, and even wildlife. It's perfect for nature lovers and those who enjoy peaceful surroundings. If you love the beach, Kerala's coastline has some fantastic places like Kovalam and Varkala. These beaches are great for relaxing, watching the sunset, or enjoying water sports. Kerala has a rich history and culture. Long ago, Kerala was famous for its spices, which brought traders from around the world. People from Rome, Arabia, and China all came here to trade. The state is also famous for its traditional art forms. Kathakali is a dance where performers wear colorful costumes and makeup to tell stories. Another unique dance form is Theyyam, which is full of energy and bright colors. Festivals are a big part of life here. Onam is the most important festival, where people celebrate with flower designs, grand feasts, and exciting boat races. Another huge celebration is Thrissur Puram, where decorated elephants and fireworks make for a grand spectacle. Kerala's food is just as amazing as its landscape. The state's food is known for using coconut, spices, and fresh seafood. One of the best meals you can try is a traditional feast called Sadhya, which is served on a banana leaf and includes many tasty vegetarian dishes. For seafood lovers, there's Karimin Polle Chattu, a fish dish that's cooked with spices and wrapped in a banana leaf. And if you like rice, try the Malabar Biryani, a delicious mix of rice and meat. Even breakfast here is special, with dishes like puttu and kadla curry. Kerala is also famous for Ayurveda, a traditional form of healing that focuses on natural treatments. Many people come here to relax, detox, and enjoy massages in beautiful, peaceful settings. Ayurveda is not just a treatment in Kerala, it's a way of life. Kerala is packed with places to see and experiences to enjoy. The backwaters of Alleppey are perfect for houseboat cruises where you can drift along the calm waters and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Munnar, with its green tea gardens, is perfect for those who love nature and cool weather. In nearby Iravikulam National Park, you can spot the rare Nilgiri Tar, a type of mountain goat. In Kochi, you'll find a mix of old and new. Chinese fishing nets, historic buildings, and colorful spice markets show off the rich history of this port city. If you love wildlife, head to Thekkadyar and visit the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. You can take a boat ride here and see animals like elephants in their natural habitat. Don't forget the beautiful temples, like the Padmanabhaswamy Temple in Thiruvananthapuram, which is known for its amazing architecture and history. Kerala's festivals are big, colorful, and exciting. The biggest festival is Onam, which celebrates the homecoming of a legendary king. People make flower designs, enjoy huge feasts, and watch the famous boat races. Thrissur Puram is another incredible festival, where you'll see elephants decorated in gold and hear traditional drums. The fireworks at night are absolutely amazing. Vishu, the Kerala New Year, is also a special time. Families prepare the Vishakkani, a beautiful arrangement of fruits, flowers, and other items to bring good luck for the year ahead. Kerala is truly a place that offers something for everyone. Whether you love nature, food, history, or just want to relax, Kerala has it all. It's not just a place you visit, but a place you experience. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Kerala.